Hi friends. Do you ever feel lost when people talk about the news or future things like flying cars? It can be difficult, right? Well, today you are going to learn very simple English to talk about these topics. For example, you can say, I think it's good. Or you can ask, what will happen next? This lesson is just for A1 and A2 level learners. So, are you ready? Let's start. First, let's talk about tomorrow, about the future. We will use the word will. Here are some examples. Number 1, self-driving cars will be common. Let's say that together. Repeat after me. Self-driving cars will be common. Great. Number 2, we will travel to Mars. Think about that. Now, let's make it a question. Will we go to Mars soon? Good job. Number 3, AI will help students. That's artificial intelligence. Let's practice AI will help students learn English. Fantastic. Number 4, electric cars will be cheap. Repeat after me. Electric cars will be cheap. And number 5, everyone will have VR glasses. Now, let's practice some easy questions. You can ask, will robots work for us? Or what will happen in 2030? Try saying these sentences with me now. You're doing great. Now, let's talk about what's happening today. What's happening now? We'll use simple present tense. Let's look at some current events. Number 1, new phones are very fast. What's your opinion? You can say, I like new phones. Easy, right? Number 2, space tourism is growing. It is, but space trips cost $500,000. Number 3, electric cars are popular. You see them on the road. Tesla cars are everywhere. Number 4, AI apps are free now. This is very useful. You can say, I use AI every day. And number 5, climate is changing fast. You can ask a question about this. Is the climate bad now? Let's practice giving your opinion. You can say, I think it's good, or I don't like it, or it's interesting. Let's repeat those 3 lines 3 times. Ready? I think it's good. I don't like it. It's interesting. Again, I think it's good. I don't like it. It's interesting. One more time. I think it's good. I don't like it. It's interesting. Excellent work. Okay, it's time to practice with real conversations. I want you to repeat after each person. Imagine you are part of the conversation. Let's start with our first scenario. 2 friends are at a coffee shop. Friend 1 says, new phones are so fast. Friend 2 says, yes, I want one. What about you? Now it's your turn. You say, I think it's good. Perfect. Let's go to scenario 2. This is a family dinner. Your mum says self-driving cars will be everywhere. Now you ask a question. You say, really? Will they be safe? Your mum answers, I think yes. Great job asking a question. Now for our third and final scenario. This is a class discussion. The teacher asks, what will happen in 10 years? A student answers, AI will help us learn. Now it's your turn to agree. You say, I agree. It's exciting. Wonderful. You can pause the video here and practice these conversations with a friend. All right, now it is your turn to speak. I have 3 questions for you. Try to answer them using the English we learned today. Question 1. What new technology do you like? Question 2. Will we live on Mars one day? And question 3. What's good news today? You can record yourself speaking or write your answers in the comments below. I would love to see them. If you learned something new today, please give this video a like. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy A1-A2 English lessons. Also, leave a comment and say, I can talk about news now. Our next video will be all about English for shopping. I can't wait to see you then. Bye for now.